ngizobaleka 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 ngizobaleka
for them to tighten the security of campus. Also, you need to bear in mind that this happened next to the university at the campuses, and it's already happening in Bikakulu of campus, because you'd see that off-campus students are getting robbed every day. They even got to a point where they stopped reporting to the university because the university is not doing anything. They are just comfortable in not doing anything. The reason why we are here is for us to have a demand to izinto that we've been asking for university all this time. I'm going to read you the memorandum of demand. We demand the immediate implementation of the 72-hour arrest plan to the perpetrators that made this disturbing thing and traumatic thing to our sisters. We demand the accreditation certificate of the residents to be dissolved immediately, because it is very clear that students are not safe in the residence, because it does not make sense that there's a residence where students do not have security guards. Number 3, we demand the university to assist the family with burial costs. We demand the injured students to be taken to a private healthcare facility, because it will never make sense for a student to be sent to that hospital that is called Bara, because there is no service right. Number 4, we demand psychological assistance for the affected students in the residence and the people that are close to those sisters. We demand immediate arrest of the perpetrators. If they fail to do so, we will look for the perpetrators to ourselves, because we need to understand that this could possibly happen to any one of us here. It can even happen today, because we do not know where the person is. Nothing has been said to us by the police or by the university. We call for a 24-hour patrol around on-campus and off-campus residences and the establishment of green routes. We demand the proper evaluation of all on-campus and off-campus residences. We call for a comprehensive safety strategy for both on- and off-campus residences. We pledge with the university to please listen to us. We plead with them, because if this is not taken seriously, then it means by every person here in this university is at a risk.
Enter without any verification that they are students or not. And sometimes even those ones that have security cards, you'd find out there's one security card on duty. And should something happen, they're also going to run away with us. The school should at least provide 24-hour armed securities that are going to patrol residences, especially off-camp residences. The safety of learners should come first, my brother. We are not safe at all. This is supposed to be our home away from home, where we feel safe. Why are we being attacked where we are supposed to feel safe, where we are resting? Criminals are able to come in and attack us. We are not safe, my brother. The school has to take responsibility, and those that are responsible should be brought to justice. The arrest managers and the school should answer why isn't there even one form of security in that residence that this incident occurred. What about the rest of the accommodations? As students, we are not safe, my brother. I think there are very few accommodations where we can say students are safe, but majority of them, students do not feel safe, but we stay because we have to, and we are after education. So the answer, my brother, is that we are not safe at all. Thank you.
Do you feel safe and protected as a student that stays off campus?
Well, my name is Monkem CB, the Deputy Chairperson of SASCO at North Campus. Well, my brother, we don't feel safe. Our students don't feel safe as well. So we hereby demand a 24-hour security, 24-hour police patrol off campus and on campus as well. Thank you, my brother.
So do you feel safe and supported as a student that stays off campus?
When it comes to safety, I think we have tried to bring awareness to the whole situation. At the beginning of the year, there was a stabbing of a student close to my residence who lived in my residence. And we tried all our best. We did marches, and I feel as if police don't care. We do have police patrolling the Shorterville and Coston police patrolling the area, but we still haven't gotten any updates on the whole situation. It took them more than more than 72 hours to apprehend the person, knowing very well who the person, who's the perpetrator that stabbed the student. So as a student off campus, I can honestly tell the truth and say I don't feel safe. I feel as if the university has neglected us, has let go of the core